A rectangle has a perimeter of y plus 9 cm. The breadth is 2 cm. What is the length of the rectangle in terms of y? That should be an S here. Find the area of the rectangle if y is 11 cm. So we are given the outline. Okay, perimeter means outline. And we can draw that particular rectangle first. So over here is 2 cm. On the left side also 2 cm. And the question is, what is this length of the rectangle? So we are given the outline again, which is a perimeter. That's y plus 9. So for part A, what we can do is to add up the breadth first, which is 4 cm. And then we take the perimeter minus this 4 cm so that we can get 2 length. Okay, so y plus 9 minus 4, there will be y plus 5 centimeter. And this represents twice of the length. So you just want to find one length. Y plus 5 over 2 centimeter. This is the answer for the length of this rectangle. Now for part B, what is the area of this rectangle if y is 11 centimeter? Now that we have the length y plus 5 over 2, we can find the area. So area is just length times breadth. Alright, so the length will be y plus 5 over 2. So that will be y is having a value of 11 plus 5 over 2. That is 16 over 2, and that is 8 cm. So the area is nothing but length times breadth, 16 square centimeter. Final answer for this question, 16 square centimeter.